What's going on, YouTube? We're back again with another vlog, man. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, man. Today got a fresh cut, man, so you know we outside. I'm definitely gonna go check out some ammo today, so we're gonna check out some ammo shops really quick and take it from there. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the prices, see what's available in inventory, because I know there's been a shortage for quite some time now. And then I'll see what else we got in store. So stay tuned, guys. Appreciate y'all for tapping in as always. All right, guys, we officially made it to Bass Pro Shops, man. That's where we're gonna go today. Check out the ammo, see what the prices are. I'm gonna walk y'all through. Just finished my drink from Racetrack. Took me a little minute to get here, but it's fire. So let's go in, let's check it out, man. And be sure to like and subscribe, man. Tap in for sure. Here we go, Bass Pro Shops Outdoor World in the lovely Sunshine State. It's so nice out here too. Vibes, man. Vibes. So we're gonna check out some ammo, guys, see what they have in stock, see if it's still a shortage, see what the pricing looks like in here. They got a shark going and everything, so let's take a tour. Let's take a tour. Here we go. I wonder if they have any sales too. Who knows? I haven't been in here forever. We'll check it out. They gotta have something. A lot of people in the parking lot too. A lot of cars at least. It might be busy. Hopefully it's not that busy. And we're looking for the ammo. They got the cookware going. Meat processing. Getty vibes. Some apparel. Camping stuff. Canopy chairs. Which reminds me, I think I need a new beach chair too. Got the fish vibe. Okay, we're gonna take a little fish tour. That's like chilling. The fish are the only things that are alive. Everything else is like display. The boat vibe, the ATV vibe. We are looking for the ammo, people. Looking for the ammo. Tables. ATVs. Those are always fun. Let's see. Whiskey helps. I like that one. Apparel. Even has some clearance. Shooting arcade. Check out the shooting arcade while we're in here. Before we get to the ammo. End of the season blowout. Oh, they do got some outdoor stuff? Ladies, for the fellas. Nothing too crazy though. 25% off. Some good hunting gear. Also little arcade. It's kind of cool. Arcade vibes. Uncle Buck's Cabin. Crazy. Some targets, some BB gun vibes. Dang, that joint looks legit though. 90 bucks for a little BB gun Glock 19. It's kind of crazy. They've evolved over time. Straight Sig P320. That's crazy. Dang, the BB guns look long. Oh my gosh. They have an MCX available as well. 209. Yikes. Glock 17. Hey, they're going crazy with the handguns and BB forms, the air pistols, I guess. Oof, that's nasty. And then the MP. 219. 249 for the A4P BB pistol. And that's crazy. The lineup is nuts. That is crazy. That is crazy. Okay. It gets better. That is crazy. Military style, airsoft rifles. I'm actually pretty impressed with this. A full AK. That is nuts. 130. Ooh, they even got the winter tactics. The FN Scar. Super small box though. Nothing like the real size, but that's still crazy. They got the little baby joints. They even got a little pistol holster to go with it. It's kind of lit. That's kind of lit for beginners out there who just want to practice with something small. They got the targets and everything. It's pretty fire. Pretty fire, little pellets and stuff like that. All right, now we need the real ammo. We really came to see this hunting stuff. We do have some nice air rifles. I'll come back. That's crazy how much they've evolved and how realistic some of these airsoft guns are. I'm looking for the ammo though. This isn't it. Let's see guys, let's see. Ooh, here we go. I think we may be on to something. Ammo crates. And we got the ammo. Hey, we got a decent stock at Bass Pro. It's looking good. 45 auto, 22 LR. Might be back. I don't see what the shortage is looking like anymore. Buckets. 40, Remington. Oh yeah, it's lit today. It is lit. Bass Pro is back in stock, guys. Back in stock. Can't be mad at all. You name it, they have it today. I don't know, maybe I got lucky, guys, but inventory is on hand. For sure. 308. 12 gauge, hold 9, 20 gauge. I didn't see 9mm though. Very sorry, stocks are low. No, they're not. Not today at least. It's fire, guys. Now we know. Now we know. But I didn't see 9mm though. See everything but, oh, here we go, 9mm. FMJ, 20 bucks for 50. So 100 would be 40 bucks. This is Remington. Walk right past the 70 grain. 15, 50, 50. Blazer 42. Alright, where's the 9mm 100 pack? Which I don't see. Don't see it, don't see it. Check the other side. There you go, guys. We do have some good inventory, but let's see some 5.56. 50 rounds. 180 bucks ain't bad at all. Oh yeah, this is exciting. This is exciting. Better deal than the range. 10mm in stock. All the good stuff, guys. All the good stuff. Yes, sir. Seven millimeter, 30 cal, 45 cal. How many are in here? $250 bullets.
50 for 45. Yeah, that's a steal. That is a steal. I'm actually in shock because they got so much in stock these days. Get it while you can, guys. Get it while you can. All right, let me grab a few and then I'll start recording again in a second, guys. Peace. Update, guys. Don't get too excited. This is for reload. This is not ammo. This side is not ammo. It's all plated. They almost got me. I was wondering, I'm like, why is it all looking so crazy on this side? So it's the other side that has all the good stuff, which is cool. Which is cool. So I'll go shopping on the other side. Cases. Everything we need. Sheesh. Pull out one of those. So guys, you also gotta look at the end caps too. They have the 300 cartridges, 300 blackout, 220 grain. The end caps kind of have some good stuff too. Winchester vibe. Cases. Rifles. It's good, it's good. Not a bad day. Oh, not a bad day at all, guys. Thanks for checking in. Be sure to like and subscribe, man. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll be at the firing range. All right, peace.